What happens if somebody shares documents or folders with you and then you decide to delete them or to move them? Will this affect the other person? In this video, I'll try to explain exactly what happens. So, let's say that the right-hand side of the screen is my colleague Ben, and he wants to share documents with me, and I'm on this screen, Chris. So Ben has a document that he's going to share with me. So I'm going to share it. And in a short moment, it should appear not in my drive, but in my incoming section. Let me refresh the page. And there it is. Document to share with Chris, shared by Ben. With this, I can do anything I want and it won't affect Ben. I can delete it, or I could move it into my drive and nothing will happen at all to Ben's document. I'll show you. So I'm going to remove it. It's gone. I'll go back to Ben's and the document to share with Chris is still there. So when you're sharing a document, the other person can delete it, move it, do anything, and it won't affect the first person. However, when you want to do the same thing but with a folder, it's different. So, on Ben's, he's now going to share a folder with me, and inside that folder there's two documents. Let's share the folder. And let's go back to my incoming. And there's the folder that Ben has shared with me. If I want to move the whole folder without changing it into my drive, that's okay, that's not a problem. If I want to remove it or delete it, again, that's not a problem. However, if I open the folder and then I start to change things inside the folder, this will affect Ben's. So I'll show you, for example, let's say I only want to take work document 2 from the folder and put it into my drive. So I take it, drag it, put it into my drive. It says other users will no longer see this file. Okay, but now what's happened? Let's take a look. I'll go back to Ben's folder, open it, and I can see work document 2 has disappeared. It would be the same if I were to delete this file inside the folder. So I remove it. Go back to Ben's folder. Let's just double check. Folder shared with Chris inside. There's nothing there. So the rule is, when you receive a shared folder, remember that if you make changes to the contents, you will also affect the other person.